What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Boom back in another video. And today was a pretty good day. Only took 2 trades for 10 points each. And these actually, let me go over my performance stats real quick. So, if you guys didn't know or look at the last or see my last video last week, at the end of last week, I had passed one account in 3 days, and then got into XFA, and I totally excuse me, I totally went against my rules, totally went against my trading plan, everything like that. I trade NQ during New York session. When I was on my XFA, I was trading gold there in London, and I just overtraded, and I just did way too much, and I just went against my plan, and I went against my edge, went against my strategies, right? So I pretty much, went soul digging, soul finding over the weekend, and just went over my trading plan again, journaled and everything like that. So Monday, I just got myself refreshed and everything like that. So now I'm good, and now I have 5 accounts, right? I have 5 50K combines, and the goal is to pass these within the next 2 weeks or so like that. And after I pass them, just make $200 a day on the live XFAs following my strategies, right? So I'm gonna quickly go over everything with you guys. So total P&L for today, just about 1400, right? So made 1400 today. 2 trades, no losses, right? Average duration about 3 minutes or so like that, right? Cool. Boom. One trade was 771, another trade was 681, right? I'm using 3 contracts, caught by like 10 points, 11-12 points on both, right? And pretty simple. Yeah, that's pretty simply as it is. Now let me show you guys my entries and exits on the chart itself. Right, so the reason why you don't see anything on my screen is because I use 2 screens to trade. This is my laptop, right? So I'm trading on my laptop where I enter in and exit out, but on my other screen, my desktop, is where I actually have my algorithms and my quantitative analysis giving me my entries and my exits and everything, right? So as we can see, my first entry for today was right here at 22,303. We did chop around just a little bit, but then I exited around here at 22,291, and we can see how much that was. At the end of this candle right here, holy, and then closed at 22,291. This is right. Boom, for about like 12 points, right? Cool. And then the next one entered in here, and then caught just this rally up move, this small move up here, 22 something, 42. I don't think it's that much. Let's see. Oh, about 17 points on this one. That's crazy. And yeah, those 2. And pretty much what my analysis and my quantitative analysis is, I use 2 of them, and I use them both to combine and to deliver, just a more sophisticated and quantitative trading framework overall for me to look at the market. I was doing everything manually. Well, I mean, pretty much am doing things manually, but I put it on a system in order for me to just make everything more simple for me. Because if not, I'll be looking at four screens instead of just one or two, right? So one of them uses dynamic adapt dynamic adapt dynamic adaptility to volatility, pretty much identifying directional bias and high probability entries with precision. While my second one um, pretty much enhances execution with proper, you know, target levels. So everything is so I do exactly know where I'm gonna enter in, where I'm gonna exit out. So my profit levels are there for me to know. So yeah, so it pretty much enhances my execution with proper profit target levels, um, trend bias visual, so it helps me understand what the microbial trend in the market is. That's why you see me. I'm on the 15-second chart. I really only trade on the 10-second and 1 minute. Also 5 minute as well too. So yes, scalping. Um, And yeah, when I was trading FX before, I was doing like swing, well, not really swing trading, but intraday day trading, going for like 30, 40 pips and everything like that. But then when I transitioned into futures, um, I'm seeing all these YouTubers and everybody going for like 5 ticks, 10 ticks. And I'm like, yo, like this is like really, really big, like really small scalp and everything like that. I even thought 5, 10 points was scalping until I really started trading NQ for real. And boy, did I learn for real. So that's why I really just go for like around like uh I don't really go anything under 5 points for real. Usually anything about like 10, 15 points. That's my sweet range. I don't like scalping for anything smaller than that because I don't know. My ultimate goal is to run a asset management firm, and I think just micro scalping for just ticks is kind of just too um just it's just too babyish. I mean, I don't know, but I might not know what I don't know yet because I'm not scaling at such a big level yet. But I mean, just off of just my intuition off of that, I mean, I'd rather just go for 10 to 15, 5 to like 15, 20 points, um, and call it a day. But nonetheless, those were my setups, my two setups, my two trades for the day, both around 12 to 15 points. And I'm at 1500 right now on 5 accounts. So overall, on 5 accounts, if this was a live account, we would have made 7,500. But when you're on the XFA, you can only trade up to two contracts, right? So I caught, let's say, about like 20 points on 40 on two contracts. That would have been like $800. $800 on 5 accounts. That would have been 4 bands, right? But nonetheless, I still got a couple more days to go. Um, I don't plan on making 1,500 again tomorrow, but if I do, then great. Um, but I just plan on going for like $500 for the rest of the time of me training this account because I have 5 accounts. So I might as well just go slow and steady, right? You can go fast. You can, do as much as you want, but understand that yes, you can cheat other people. You can lie to other people. You can lie for YouTube, for social media, and everything like that. But the one person that you can't cheat or lie to is yourself because you know exactly what it is that you're doing and you know exactly what it is that you did, right? So I'm not here to cheat myself or play myself or anything like that. And I just wanted to shout out to Kyle X on YouTube who also gave me this philosophy as well too of you know th- train this account is already live, right? This is already a live account. I'm just building my buffer in order for me to withdraw. And thank you, Kyle. I truly appreciate that philosophy because that's amazing. Like it's just great. Um, but yeah, that's pretty much all it is for today. Yeah, and that's pretty much all it is for today, guys. And I will see you all later. Peace.